Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set language preferences on the Scribd application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy of to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and new, go to the lower bar and click to the last button, the account, at the lower right corner of the screen, and here you can find the language preferences under the report an issue option. Click that and you can select different languages. Actually I use the English, but you can select Italiano, Indonesia, France or Deutsch and others. So if you want to select another, click to the circle icon and click to the OK button. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.